A guide to futures trading cryptocurrency on Who. What does futures trading in cryptocurrency market mean? So far, it has been seen that futures contracts are mostly used in the field of physical goods. Of course, futures trading has now opened its way to the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin futures, for example, are examples of futures contracts in which traders are able to buy or sell a currency based on their forecast of the future price of the currency, even without having a Bitcoin in hand. In fact, Bitcoin's futures contracts can be based on high-risk financial transactions called speculation. Another feature called borrowing in futures trading can be defined. In this way, if the trader predicts a downward trend in the price of an asset, he can borrow a certain amount from an exchange or broker and sell it at its current price. After that, when the price trend decreases according to the trader's forecast, they buy the asset at a lower price and return their loan to the exchange. In this transaction, they have made a profit based on the difference between their purchase and sale prices. Because Bitcoin trading is subject to legal restrictions in several countries, traders can enter the foreign exchange market using futures trading without encountering existing legal barriers. How to do futures trading in Who Exchange? Users can log into who.com, then log into their account after registration and top up their trading balance. They must transfer their balance to the futures section for futures trading. To start futures trading, go to the Futures section of the site menu. In the new opened page, users can trade their futures. Some sections that are described are visible on this page. 1. In this section, users can select the cryptocurrency on which they intend to trade futures. 2. With the help of charts and analytical tools at their disposal, users can predict the price movement trend and enter the trade in the same direction to make a profit. 3. In Order Book section, traders will see the highest and lowest purchase and sale prices, which can help the trader in forecasting. 4. In this section, users can view the history of transactions made at the moment. 5. This is the most important part of this page, that traders can enter their buy or sell positions with the help of the available options, and they are almost the same as the ordering options in spot. 6. At the bottom of the page, users can see the opening and closing positions or the entries that they have planned, and the percentage of profit and loss for each transaction is displayed. In the TP and SL section, traders can determine the profit and loss limits of their trades. How to open a short or long position? In Part 1, the trader must specify whether the transaction is cross-sectional or isolated. In cross mode, the total inventory of the futures trader will be involved, and if there is no loss limit, the inventory will be zero if it is liquidated. But in isolated mode, only the amount that enters the position will be involved, and if the trader has predicted wrong, they will lose only the amount that has entered the position. The trader can also specify the transaction margin or the same percentage of money that they intend to borrow from the exchange as a loan. Novice traders should use cross 3 or at most 10. Then in Part 2, traders can choose the type of their order. Limit order is one of the most common types of buying and selling orders, and the trader must enter the amount of money they want to the position and the price as well. Market order. In this type of order to buy and sell a digital asset, it is determined only the amount of buying or selling, and the exchange is allowed to either sell or buy the asset when need at the price of the last transaction in the market. Stop market trader can set a bet with this type of ordering. For example, if the price reaches a certain number, then the order has the right to be activated at the price set. In Part 3, the trader can enter the amount of entry volume to the transaction, the entry price of the desired position, and the price of the entry condition according to the type of order they have chosen. In Section 4, to finalize the analysis, traders must open the buy position by clicking on the Open Long option or enter the sell position by tapping the Open Short option. Part 5. Users can top up their futures account before entering the futures section. They can top up their balance with the help of Deposit option. Or if they have balance in their account, they can transfer their balance to futures section with the help of transfer option.